Hello sewing friends, I'm Aniek from Flexfield Sewing, and today I want to share with you one of my most precious Love Notions patterns, and that's the Sybil Illusion skirt. It's not one skirt, but it's a pattern with 7 skirts in one. And I have some good news to share with you, because today it's the featured Friday pattern. It's available only today for $5. As I told you, the Sybil skirt has 7 skirt options in one pattern. I have to take a look because it's a lot. It has a pencil skirt, an A-line skirt, a swing skirt, a drop joke skirt, a gord skirt, an asymmetrical wrap skirt, and a pleated skirt. That's a lot. But I have some good news. You can mix and match the Sybil Illusion skirts with many patterns from Love Notions. So if you take the top from a dress and you mix and match it with one of the skirts from the Sybil Illusion skirt pattern, then you have a total new dress. It's really easy to do, even if you are new to hacking patterns. I can't even call it a hack, in fact. You just take the top of the Willow wrap dress and you take the skirt, the asymmetrical skirt, or any other skirt from the Sybil Illusion pack, and you sew both together. One I have for you is a mix and match between the Olympia dress and the pencil skirt from the Sybil Illusion skirt packet. Same as with Willow, take the top, sew it to the skirt, and you're done. Is to with a combination from the Lenox top and the Gord Sybil Illusion skirt. Here I want to match the lines from the Lenox top with the lines from the Gord skirt. I had to make a little adjustment on the pattern, nothing huge. I will help you to do it. Dresses I made. I hope I've inspired you, and I hope you can make a lot of dresses with the Sybil Illusion skirt, or make the Sybil Illusion skirt as it is, because it's a beautiful pattern. Don't forget to buy it today, because only today it's the featured Friday pattern and you can buy it for $5. Bye!